Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tice Tech Alarms channel. Just dropped my screwdriver. I've got some new stuff added to the system today. If you didn't see the QuickBit video, our alarm today is the Gentex Commander 3, which is horn is taped. The system's just going to be in Gentex Sync today. Here I have my BG12 with the broken lock. That's just kind of going to be a staple, I hope. So the BG12 with the broken lock, and fun thing, I added 3 new initiating devices today. So here we have the MS2 that just doesn't work half the time. Right here I have a very special alarm. It's called the light switch. It's just an auto resettable drill switch on my panel. Up here I have my 2 smoke detectors, my system sensor 2424 and my system sensor 1400. This is new, I just got it today. Very nice. Like I said, the Gentex Commander 3, which is on mechanical horn. If you were wondering what this is, it's just a system sensor retrofit plate, which is just chilling. So, since we got all these new devices, I thought we'd do a walk test today. But of course, I'll do a normal test too. So that's an audible walk test. So something I've decided is that I'm going to be trying to do videos on the main channel, shut up, every other day. And then on this channel, I'm going to be doing like a quick bit one day and then a normal test like this the next. So the other channel is the one where I'm going to have them kind of going around the house. That's the plan. All right, let's hit a pole station. Okay. Sorry, I'm just taking some off the wall. Okay, all right. Shut up. Okay, now we'll try to test the MS2, which is kind of hard to do with one hand. Haha, it worked. So that'll beep at me constantly until I reset it, which will take me just a second. Sorry, I have to set the camera down. There we go. So yeah, that says alarm in zone 4, pole station. Okay, now we'll test the system sensor device. Both of them. There we go. Alright, and we'll test this one. This one takes a minute to activate sometimes. Ah, it didn't this time. So I had to re-record this because this bugger would not activate, but I learned that you have to hold down its drill switch for quite a while. So yeah, Gentex Commander 3 here, and the Simplex strobe is hiding over here in the bathroom. Finally, we'll do the best device ever, the light switch. So yeah, the way I have these done, zone 1, zone 4, zone 2, zone 3, zone 6. Don't ask me why I have it like that. I could tell you. It's because I was too lazy to put them in the right order. So this is basically my little fire alarm table now, which is nice. So we'll do a full evac now. You know what? Let's just use the new smoke detector. Why don't we? There it goes. We'll silence that. And you know what? Let's re-alarm with the BG12. and we'll do the other smoke detector. And you know what? I'm not gonna do you because you're a pain. Okay, so here, I'll let you watch the smoke detector lights turn off as I reset this. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Come on, focus. Up. Turd. Okay. And finally, I guess we'll just use the drill switch here. So since it's an evac, it just went into trouble. And back to normal. Alrighty, you know what? Let's change the coding. Let's do, since I did it the other day, let's not do that actually. Let's do, I don't know, what coding should I do? Let's try 2-stage, just because we'll do the short chirp on 2-stage. I won't let it go completely into 2-stage. Maybe I can get it to go into 2nd stage. I don't know. Don't care really. Okay, let's hit a pole station first. Oh, somebody has a fire. Okay, I have no clue how 2-stage works, but there you go. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.